What is criminal procedure? Criminal procedure is the set of rules that tell us how crimes are investigated, prosecuted, and tried in court. It protects the accused and ensure fairness in the justice system. What are the differences between criminal law and criminal procedure? Criminal law defines crimes and gives punishment to the criminal. On the other hand, criminal procedure explains the steps and processes on how those crimes are brought to court and decided. What is jurisdiction? Jurisdiction is the power of a court given by law to hear and decide a case. What is jurisdiction over subject matter? Jurisdiction over subject matter means the authority to hear a case depending on the kind of crime. For example, if the crime is murder, it belongs to the regional trial court. But if it is petty theft crime or small value, it it goes to the municipal trial court. What is jurisdiction over territory? Jurisdiction over the territory means that a court can only hear committed cases within its area. For instance, if the crime happens in Cebu City, only the courts of Cebu City can handle it, not the courts in Manila. What is jurisdiction over a person? This is when the court gets authority over the accused. It happens if the person is lawfully arrested or if he or she voluntarily appears in court. For example, if someone is arrested legally or she shows up to the court for arraignment, the court now has the power over him. What are the cases that are cognizable in the Katarungan Pambarangay? These are the cases or dispute between people from the same barangay or from different barangays in one city or municipality. But there are exceptions. If the penalty is more than 1 year in jail or more than 5,000 pesos fine, or if the government is involved, then it doesn't go to the barangay. In the question number 8, the municipal trial court handles minor offenses like those punishable for 6 years or less and municipal city violation. The regional trial court handles serious crimes such as murder or robbery with homicide. The Court of Appeals can issue writs like habeas corpus or mandamus. The Sandigan Bayan tries cases of public officials accused of graft and corruption. The Court of Appeals handles tax cases like refunds or collections. And lastly, the Supreme Court takes cases involving ambassadors, public ministers, and also extraordinary writs. In the question number 9, the RTC hears appeals from the MTC. The Court of Appeals reviews RTC decision and rulings of some government agencies. The Sandigan Bayan hears appeals from RTC decisions in corruptions cases. The Court of Tax Appeals hears appeals from RTC or government tax rulings. The Supreme Court hears appeals from the Court of Appeals, Sandigan Bayan, and Court of Tax Appeals through petition and review. Number 10, Rule 110. Rule 110 is all about the prosecution of offenses It tells us how criminal action are started, who prosecutes them, the rules on complaints and information, venue, and how amendments are made.